Service Teardown, HP VR headset VR1000-2xx.
Removal. Carefully release the Velcro that secures the facial mask to the headset and remove the facial mask from around the eye glass. Replacement. Place the facial mask around the eye glass on the headset and apply pressure to the Velcro to secure it into position. Removal. Using a non-marring flat-bladed tool, loosen the screw that secures the right earphone to the headset. Remove the right earphone. The left earphone is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Important: the earphones are identified with an R and an L engraved in the plastic. Align the pins on the right earphone with the holes in the headset and place the earphone into position. Using a flat-bladed tool, tighten the screw that secures the right earphone to the headset. The left earphone is replaced in the same manner. Installation. Insert the mini DisplayPort connector into the headset. Insert the DisplayPort and USB connectors into the connectors on the PC. Removal. Disconnect the DisplayPort and USB connectors from the connectors on the PC. Press the release button on the mini DisplayPort connector and disconnect it from the headset.